5 easy lines on forest. Forests are the vital part of the nature. Forests provide clean air. Forests causes rain in an area. Forest prevents floods. We get food, shade, woods, etc. from forests. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please help me to reach 1K subscribers. Thank you.